Here's why learning Desmos can really help you on the SAT. We can solve this equation by hand or using Desmos. Now what are we trying to do? We're trying to find the radius. How long is the radius? Well, we can't do that yet, but maybe if we complete the square for our x and our y terms, we'll be able to do something. Now how can we complete the square? Well, it all comes down to the coefficients for our x and y terms. And luckily they're the same, they're 1. So we're going to take that 1, we're going to divide it in half, and then we're going to square it. And that is going to come out to 1 over 4. And so if we add in 1 over 4 here, and 1 over 4 here, on our right-hand side as well, because you have to balance the equation, now we have two sets of perfect square trinomials. And so when we factor these, we'll have x plus 1/2 squared plus y plus 1/2 squared. And that is going to equal 1/4 plus 1/4 is 1/2. We have 199 halves, so now we have one more. That means we have 200 halves, or just 100. So this equals 100. And now we have the standard form for a circle. And we know that this is going to be equal to our radius squared. So our radius squared equals 100. Take the square root of both sides, we'll know that our radius equals 10. So, was that easy? Somewhat. Let's hop over to Desmos and see how quickly we can solve it. All right, so here we are on Desmos. Let's type in our equation, x squared plus x plus y squared plus y. And that equals 199 divided by 2. And here we can see our circle. Now, obviously this circle isn't centered on 0, but it's actually shifted to the left. Now if we come here, we can see y, its tip point is 9.5, and the bottom point is 10.5. So we can take 9.5 subtracted by negative 10.5, which equals 20, and then divide that by 2, and that just equals 10, and we've already got our radius in a few seconds.